Clicking. Red now.
Go, go, go.
Shit, class is so slow.
What the?
Oh, damn.
Go.
Target yourself and stem
Stems.
yourself.
Oh, okay. Run!
Oh god, I'm stuck.
Don't do any reses until we're in the room.
I'll pay the ads like 1 billion if they kill Bolstein.
Quickly, get everyone in and close the walkway door.
Why I have to be the last? This class is so slow.
Oh my god, you can't click the frickin' door.
Is everybody inside?
I grabbed one flare.
We're in the clear.
The
Exit
rest is
the
up for
control
you
room
guys.
console with Radler's ID card.
God damn, you take out my stems. It's alright. You're taking the right one? That's what you said?
Quite the nasty
Yeah,
lot
the one
gathering out
at
there.
that door.
Unknown failure. Holding pen's power.
Just hold on, it'll reboot.
When do you want buffs?
You want him
When
now?
the Reapers.
Sorry, I thought you said you wanted back.
I was. It's
I mean, it's sort of fine.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna matter.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Power restored. Scanning. Alert. Unauthorized life forms detected in control room. Initiate
not even close to
protocol.
this. Yeah.
At least the shield is holding.
Unknown
Are we going to
failure.
the corner? Where are we
Holding
going?
pen's power.
No.
We're just in here.
It's become the fun. Using yourself. Uh-oh. I'm pressing.
I'm right in front of you.
This game would be great if you could actually like see what's going on, because I don't see anything, man. Like literally I don't see anything. Oh my god. Oh boy.
I think we got some extra stuff.
No, it's just also the droids are still here, and they can't be damaged if they're in each other's
Hold it
circle,
down. Use the
besides by
console.
the Reapers. Or like the damage is very tiny.
I got a flare down.
Yeah, I was about to ask if somebody else had stuff.
Let me click the console. I don't see anything that you guys are attacking.
That's fine. Perfectly fine. I just did the longer rotation of DCDs, and I'm happy I did, since I had to AoE taunt, and I think I grabbed half the ads. You guys just